On the top shelf we have my handful of organic, colored, dye-free Nature Promise and some other jams and jellies for me. This is organic sweet relish mayonnaise. We got muffins, onion, mozzarella cheese, mixed cheese, oranges, and grapes. Cheese of different sorts. Eggs. We get a cat. We get EMIMA syrup. We get soy sauce. We get another sauce. And more sauce. And in here we have the mac and cheese I just made. The two different versions. I have no clue what this is, but it's leaking and grossing me out. We have Jello. I want water. We have sour cream. That's what's over there. Over here we have popcorn chips. We have oven baked chips. We have my snacks that have no food dye in them. Nature Promise snacks. I will be right back.